It's
Aunsom time!
It's fun time.
What if our refrigerators disappeared? No problem. I will cool everything using my superpowers. Wow, Aunsom. Firstly, if refrigerators disappeared, ice cream lovers all around the world will be extremely unhappy. Secondly, if refrigerators disappear, preserving fresh food will not be easy anymore. Thirdly, if refrigerators disappear, everyone will have to buy as well as drink fresh milk daily. Keeping milk overnight might spoil it. Fourthly, everybody loves to drink a cold, refreshing soft drink. If refrigerators disappeared, soft drink industry may have to close down. Fifthly, without a refrigerator, living in a desert might turn out to be almost impossible. Also, our favorite items like ice cream, so on will be impossible to store without a refrigerator.
Firstly, if roads disappeared, rides on but on even super expensive cars would be extremely.
Lastly, no refrigerator means no ice. We might have to wait for a snowfall to see ice again.